Think your kids don't notice your bad habits? Think again. They copy everything you do, especially when it comes to your health. If you're stressed, skipping workouts, or reaching for junk food, guess what? They're learning to do the same thing. So let's talk about why this happens and how to fix it before it's too late. Kids don't do what you say, they do what you do. And when it comes to your health habits, they're copying you, whether you like it or not. So if you're constantly stressed, skipping workouts, and grabbing junk food on the go, guess what? That's what they'll think is normal. But here's the good news. You can flip the script and set them up for a lifetime of better health. So let's break it down. Number one, your eating habits equal their eating habits. You ever tell your kid to eat their veggies while you're sneaking fries off their plate? Yeah, they notice. Kids eat what they see you eat. If you're always drinking soda and snacking on chips, that's what they'll want. And you want to fix it? Make healthy food normal. Keep fruits and veggies visible, not buried in the fridge. Also, let them pick. Take them to the grocery store and let them choose a new food each week. No food fights. Forcing healthy eating just makes them resist more. One study found that when parents ate more veggies, their kids did too, even without being told to. So, the lesson? If you want your kids to eat better, start with your own plate. Number two, couch potatoes raise couch potatoes. If you crash on the couch every night, scrolling your phone, don't expect your kid to suddenly love exercise. Kids don't need to be told to move. They need to see you moving. The reality? The CDC says kids need 60 minutes of movement daily, but only 1 in 4 actually get it. The fix? Make it fun. Dance-offs, scavenger hunts, backyard obstacle courses. Keep it exciting. Also join in. If they see you enjoying movement, they will too. And also limit screens, but make it worth it. Swap the go play outside with let's race to the mailbox. So make movement a part of life and your kids will never see it as a chore. Number three, stress management starts with you. You ever catch your kids sighing just like you when you're frustrated? Yeah, they're copying your stress too. Kids absorb how you handle stress. Even if they see you losing it over small things, they'll learn to do the same. But if they see you taking a deep breath, laughing things off, or handling problems calmly, they'll copy that instead. How to fix it? Narrate your calm. Traffic sucks, but let's take a deep breath and turn up the music. Create wind down routines. No screens before bed. Dim the lights. And use quiet time to help everyone sleep better. Teach them to pause. Are you overwhelmed? Stop, breathe, and reset. Show them. Don't just tell them. One study found that kids who practiced mindfulness had 15% lower stress levels, meaning better mood, better sleep, and better overall health. Want less stress? It starts with you. Number four, quick fixes versus long-term health. Fast food, screens instead of outdoor play, pills instead of real solutions. Does that sound familiar? If your kid sees you skipping meals and running on caffeine, they'll assume that's how adults function. If they see you prioritizing real food, sleep, and movement, they'll copy that instead. So let's fix it. Talk about your choices. I'm drinking water because my body needs it. Slow things down. Sit for meals. Take evening walks. Stop rushing everything. And celebrate consistency, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect, just better most of the time. Your health habits aren't just about you. They're shaping how your kids see health too. Number five, lead by example, not by lecture. Kids don't need long speeches on health. They just need to see you living it. That means eat real food most of the time. Moving your body because it feels good. Managing stress without losing your mind. You don't need to be perfect, just better, more often. And the best part, as you build these habits for them, you get healthier too. So it's a win-win. All right, now you know why your kids copy your worst health habits and how to fix it. But there's something even more important. Did you know your immune system is constantly being trained? Your body learns how to fight off illnesses naturally. and there are ways to make it stronger without relying on meds. That's what we're breaking down in the next video, the truth about natural immunity and how to boost it for good. So click on that video now to learn how to keep your immune system strong, resilient, and ready for anything. And then hit that follow button for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.